Hi, my name is Sujata and I'm from Nepal. I'm majoring in finance and general management. Come with me, I'll show MRU around. So just walking down the stairs, you'll see the MRU campus store. Now let's visit one of my favorite places in MRU. It's the International Student Support Center. This place provides students from all backgrounds to meet each other. Also, there are fun activities you can join run by student volunteers. Next is the business school. Come, let's visit one of the classrooms. Ta-da! I love how MRU provides focus programs in a small classroom. This way, I can easily ask questions and focus better. Also, one thing I love about Canada is the people. Before I go, one pro tip. You can go to the MRU website under International Students, scroll to the bottom and chat with any of the uni ambassadors like me. See ya!